Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Rahul Kumar Sinha and in today's video we are going to see how to create a virtual environment in Python. But first, let us talk about two things. One, what is a virtual environment? And second, why do we need it? A virtual environment is a tool in Python that helps us create an isolated environment for the Python project. Hence, each project has its separate Python interpreter, libraries, and scripts. We need it because it helps us to manage different libraries and their versions cleanly and efficiently between projects. Many a time, a scenario comes where different projects require different libraries and their different versions. Suppose, for example, project 1 requires a SAP HANA library which is supported only in Django 2, while another project 2 requires the latest versions of Django, that is Django 3. Hence, project 1 requirement is SAP HANA and Django 2 library, and project 2 requirement is Django 3. To solve this, we need to create two separate environments, one for project 1, another for project 2, and install the different libraries in them respectively. They both will be isolated from each other and can reside in the same system without any conflict. Now, as we know what is virtual environment and why it is needed, so let us see how to create one. There are two most popular ways to create a virtual environment. Let us see both one by one. The first one is using venv module in Python. This module was introduced in Python 3.3. Hence, it is available only for Python 3.3 and above. Let us open command prompt and navigate to the path where we want to create virtual environment. Check the Python version. Our Python version is greater than 3.3, hence the venv module is there. We will use the command python -m venv and the virtual environment name. I am keeping the name as project 1 environment. Just wait for a few seconds till it will create an isolated environment inside it. If I do dir right now, you will be able to see an environment created in your directory. To activate environment on Windows, you need to type environment name /script/activate. Now you can install the required dependencies in the project environment. I install. It will download the dependency and will install inside the project 1 environment. Once the requirements are installed, you are ready to run your projects. To deactivate the environment, you need to just type deactivate and it will be deactivated. Notice that when your environment is activated, you have the name of the environment written in the bracket. Now, let's see the second way to create the environment. As we can see right now, we have one project environment in this folder. To create the second environment, we need to install an external module in our base Python package. The module is called virtualenv. We'll use command pip install virtual env. For my system, it is already installed, hence it is showing the requirement is already satisfied. But for you, it might download and install it. Once the module virtual env is installed, you need to use the command python -m virtual env space the environment name. Here I am using project 2-env. It will use the base Python version and create a new virtual environment with the name project-env inside the same path. Now if we do dir, we will be able to see two project environments created. We can again activate the environment in the same way, project 2 script activate, and use pip to install different version of Django inside this. I'm not specifying any version, hence the latest version of Django will be installed in this. The latest version of Django 3.1 is installed. You can also see the activated environment is project 2 env. I can deactivate the environment in the same way and it's deactivated. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like the video.